Hi everyone, so today we're doing a correction. She got these done about a year ago and the person did microblading on her, but they faded into a super ashy color, so they're more like gray, and she wants them more brown. The artist didn't do a bad job like as far as like technique, like depth. They're good strokes, it's just the color that was chosen was wrong. And I do think that if the artist previously shaded, instead of doing the pixel shading up here to create that defined shape, if she did it in the middle and did the same thing she did at the bottom, like you see where the older strokes are, if those were coming through from here, then that would have created that same natural effect at the top as well. She doesn't have a lot of hair of her own, but she has just enough like to see a spine, which is nice. So what I did is I went ahead and I mixed some orange bronzer by Permablend with brunette, and we're going to neutralize them with a 5 round and a 1 round for some strokes, just to preserve some of the strokes. So that's all, and I'll check in with you when I'm done. Hey guys, so I'm just checking in really quick. So we reinforced some of the strokes down here, and then we did some pixel cover up with half brunette, half bronze corrector. And if you can see the tone change from here to here, so I stopped about here. So as you guys can see, this area is more brown and this area is more blue. And we're not looking for perfection here, we're just looking for a correction to get rid of some of the blue tones. So they're still really beautiful and, you know, almost perfect, but for a correction, I think this is exactly what we're trying to do, just kind of turn it into a more brown hue rather than like a bluish gray. So just checking in, and I'll show you guys when we're done. Okay, and now I want to show you guys the difference between this brow and this brow. As you can see, this one is a lot more like ashy blue, and then this one is a lot more brown and warm. So that's what like a correction would do. On both brows, I did the strokes first with a 1 around, and she has really good skin, so it didn't take more than like 1 or 2 passes for the strokes. And then I switched my needle to a 5, and I did this for the strokes, so a darker brown, and then almost like a really dark orange for the shading color. And I turned down the speed really low to shade, and for the lining, for the strokes, just like regular speed, like a 7 or a 6 for the nano strokes. And then for the shading, just like you're doing an ombre brow, just like light pixels. And then you can see as you put the orange in there, it slowly starts to lift some of that blue. And then you'd still get like a difference. So like you can still see, I didn't shade yet, so you could see that this is still a lot more blue than this brow. And that's it. Hey guys, so just checking in, we are all done. And these turn out so beautiful.